Well, the top 5 reasons why we are seeing such a fall in Reliance. Firstly, is the fact that the first quarter of FY23 results were a big miss compared to what the analysts were expecting, and the miss had come in from the O2C segment, which was expected to outperform the most given the strong refining environment that we had seen in the first quarter of FY23. So that's the biggest reason. The second reason is, though on the out front, if you see the retail numbers look pretty much in line with what the street estimates were, but if you see the internals, the numbers were pretty much a bit weak, because if you see the growth that has come in for the retail business is purely on the back of expansion. But if you see the company's revenue per square foot, that has declined by nearly 4.4% on a Q-on-Q basis. Along with this, the fact that the company's net debt has increased further to close to 57,000 crore rupees from 35,000 crore rupees reported by the company in the last quarter. And given the fact that going forward it is expected to increase further, because the company is expected to participate in a big way in the upcoming 5G spectrum auction, so the debt is also expected to rise further going forward. Along with this, one more thing that has been pinching investors is the fact that the company's on the disclosure front, the company has not been giving much details. Like for example, in the first quarter FY23 results, they have not given much details for the Jio Mart division. Along with this, they have not even shared any details related to the JioPhone Next sales that the company had launched earlier. So no disclosure is also one of the factors that has been pinching investors. And lastly, given the fact that the Singapore gross refining margin, which is the Asian benchmark for refining margin, has fallen to nearly $0.9 per barrel, which is the lowest since January 2021. And if you see from its recent peak, it has fallen nearly 97%, which also means that the second quarter of FY23 earnings and the going ahead outlook also remains weak for the O2C segment, which has the refining business of Reliance Industries. So given the weak outlook and given the weak first quarter results, we are seeing such a sharp fall in Reliance Industries.